Welcome to the Makkaligagi Shikshana YouTube channel. Now, in this day, we are going to start the 10th state physics introduction class. Now, how many chapters it contains in the 10th state? Only physics. And what is the marks carries in each chapter? So, in the 10th state physics, total 5 chapters are there. So, the first one is electricity. So the first chapter is electricity. Second one is magnetic effects of electric current. Magnetic effects of electric current. So the third one is light. In this we will discuss about this reflection and reflection and refraction. The fourth one is the human eye and colorful world. Human eye and colorful word. Human eye and colorful word. And the fifth one is sources of energy. Source of energy. Okay. Now in the 10th state physics, there are total 5 physics chapters are there. The first one is electricity, second one is the magnetic effects of electric current, third one is the light chapter. In this we will discuss the two parts. One is the reflection and another is the refraction. The fourth one is human eye and colorful world, and fifth one is the source of energy. Here, according to the syllabus, they classify as the theme 1 from this chapter electricity and magnetic effects of electric current as the first theme, and this light and human eye as the second theme, and this is a source of energy, that is another one. Okay, so from these in the first theme, from these two chapters electricity and magnetic effects, they will ask 13 or 12 marks, 12 or 13 marks from these two chapters, electricity and magnetic effects of electric current. And from the light and human eye, again here 12 or 13 marks. Observe carefully here. Suppose here if they ask the 13 marks, here they will ask 12 marks. Here they will ask the 12 marks, here they will ask the 13 marks. So here total is 25. Total at 25 marks. And from these sources of energy, they will ask 2 to 3 marks. 2 or 3 marks we can expect. Okay, so total we can expect the 28 marks from this physics syllabus. Total 28 marks, or 27 or 28 marks we can expect. 1 marks will vary in each chapters. So if you can go for the content, what is content is present in each chapters, based on that in which chapter they will ask more marks we can expect, because in the electricity and in this magnetic effects of electric current, from these two chapters the content of the electricity is more, so we can expect the more marks from this chapter. So usually we can expect nearly, see, 12 marks means 7 plus 5. Here we get the 7 marks, in this chapter we get the 5 marks. Here 13 means maybe 7 plus 6 or 8 plus 5, like that they will ask. So because the content of this electricity is more, so that's why we can give the more preference for this electricity chapter. In the same in case of this light and human eye and colorful world, this light chapter contains the more content, so we can give the more preference for this chapter. So they will ask nearly 7 marks or 8 marks. or here the remaining 7 here, suppose if they ask 30 means 7 plus here 6 or 5 marks they will ask in this chapter. Okay, 6 or 5 we can expect from this human eye and colorful word. If they ask for 12 marks, 7 plus 5. If they ask for 13 marks, 7 plus 6 or 8 plus 5. Like that we can expect, but they will ask more questions from this light chapter. It contains the numerical questions also. We can expect the numerical question from the light chapter, and also we can expect the numerical question from this electricity. So the last one is the sources of energy. So it is completely theory. So they will ask a 2 marks, maybe a multiple choice question they will ask, or 2 marks question they will ask. So this is the syllabus of physics of this 10th standard. Okay, so in the electricity, what we will discuss means we will discuss about the electric current, potential difference, and resistance. These are the main concept we will discuss in case of this electricity. After this, heating effect of electric current also we will discuss, and applications. And in case of this magnetic effects of electric current means it is the applications we will discuss in this case. So about these properties of the what these a magnetic field is, and in case of electric motor, electric generator. Okay, so how we can supply the electricity to our houses we will discuss in case of this magnetic effects. And here in the light chapter we will discuss about the laws of reflection. And if the light is falls on the different surfaces, it is a plane surface or it is a curved surface, what the result it shows we will discuss. In the same way, in case of the refraction, we will discuss about the refractive index of the media. For different medias, how the behavior of the light takes place, it pass through that media. So and we have also seen that if the light is falls on a different media, so whatever the result we obtain. And in case of this human eye and colorful world, in case of the human eye, so if the light is passed through our human eye, how the image is formed, so how we can see the near object and how we can see the far object, and what are the defects we are observed in the human eye, that we will discuss in case of the human eye. And in case of this colorful world, so we are seeing the nature is very different. So different colors we are observing in the nature. The sky is appearing blue, and we can observe at the morning and evening the sun is appears to be reddish. Okay, and the evening also. So those things we will discuss in case of this what colorful world. And the rainbow formation and dispersion of light, those things we will discuss in case of the colorful world. And in case of the sources of energy, so it is very essential to discuss, because we are using the different sources of energy in our daily life. Okay, for example, water is a source of energy, and this solar energy we are getting from the sun, that is also a source of energy. So like that, different wind energy, that is wind is also a source of energy. Like that, a different source of energy is what we are using in our daily life, and what is the use of that, and what are the advantages, what is the disadvantages, we will discuss in case of this a source of energy, and why we have to consume these sources of energy for the future generations. That is also very important thing that we discuss in case of this source of energy chapter. So this is a brief explanation about this physics in the 10th state. Now in the next classes we will discuss one by one detailing related to examination purpose. Thank you.